Okay, hello. So I'm making a video about Project Anabantoid because it starts tomorrow, August 1st. I wanted to make a video so that everybody knows all the information up front. It is all also on the Facebook page, which is just facebook.com/groups/Project Anabantoid. I'll put the link up right here. But yeah, we're back with another fish fam / fish tuber community collaboration, that's the word, event where you can showcase your Anabantoid. That is specifically bettas or betas, however you say it, gouramis, and paradise fish. We had a few people ask about other types of fish than the three I just mentioned. Now we're specifically focusing on the suborder of Anabantoidae. I believe that's how it's said. Nobody likes Latin. So if we look at our taxonomy chart here, we've got the order of Anabantoid formas, and then we're going down one to the suborder of Anabantoidae. We're calling it Project Anabantoid because that's easier to say and spell. So while there are other fish that have the labyrinth organ, we're specifically focusing on gouramis, your bettas, and your paradise fish. Those are the three we are focusing on. So any type of gourami, any type of betta, wild, or splenda, the ones normal people have, or a paradise fish. So I'm hoping we get some paradise fish and that it's not just all bettas. I know personally I bought a gourami just so I could post some pictures and videos of him because I think they look really cool. So getting into the nitty gritty here, it starts August 1st at midnight. So when the clock ticks over from today to midnight, you can officially start entering, and it runs until August 31st at 11:59 p.m. So you have a whole month to get your entries in. And just remember, for legal reasons on both Facebook and YouTube, this has to be 18 up for the age. So if you're not 18 years or older, unfortunately, you cannot submit an entry. Now, we do have the Facebook page. I'll put the link up again and in the description. We do encourage you to post your pictures, your videos, and your art there. But this time, for entries, to make everything more organized and easier on those of us that go search all the social medias for these entries, we have created a specific email for you to email either your links to pictures or videos and your art, or if you would rather just upload the file of your picture, your art, or your video, you can email it that way. So either a YouTube link, an Instagram link, Facebook link, or the actual file itself. And that email is, and I'll put it up on the screen, projectanabantoid@gmail.com. So please email all your entries there, but remember, we also have the Facebook page where you can feel free to share all your pictures and videos and art that you want. Which will lead me into our three categories. It's going to be the same as our last one, which was Project Bosilia, for those that don't know. The first being Best Picture. This category is, you're going to use your photography skills to highlight the beauty of any of the species mentioned, so betta, gourami, or paradise fish. You can add text, Photoshop it, edit it however you want, but you have to be the one that took the picture. So just keep that in mind. The next category is Best Video. This is the same thing as before. You're using your video skills this time to highlight those species. You can add text, edit the video however you want. Video has to be yours. So you can't just be like, oh, I found this video on the internet, I'm going to use it and input it. It has to be your video, as long as the video was made by you. Last category that you can enter to win into is Best Art Piece. This is any way you can use artistic interpretation to show us the beauty of bettas, gouramis, or paradise fish. You can paint, craft, music, poetry, interpretive dance, anything you want to do that's art related. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on Facebook or send an email or ask any of the judges that I will list here in a moment. After those three main categories, and you can enter one entry per category, so you can enter a picture, a video, and an art piece. After those three, we also have the River Life Inspirational Award, because we're carrying that over from Bosilia, since Rack from River Life is the one who started this whole community working together collaborative effort to make these events possible. So we're honoring him with his own award that he will pick the entry from video, picture, or art that he thinks best represents these fish and inspires him. Following that, we have a Best in Show, which again goes the best picture, video, or art piece. The judges come together and decide which entry they think from those 3 main categories is the best overall entry. And for those who don't know, we do a point system, kind of like the Olympics. So everybody gets to input a number from 1 to 10. We can do crazy decimals. We were trying to keep it like tenths or quarters though. So all the judges input a score, then the spreadsheet tabulates the average for everybody, and whoever has the best average from picture, video, and art wins those categories. And then of course, Rack goes back and picks the one he thinks is best, and then each judge will pick their favorite entry, and then the other judges will score those, and whichever one has best score wins that one as well. Which will lead us straight into the judges for this round. Your judges consist of, starting us off, we have Rack from Riverlife YouTube channel, followed closely by, we have James from Fish Room Fever's YouTube channel. We have Ed from the Chattanooga Ed YouTube channel. We have Peter from Guppy Guru YouTube channel. We have the Zen Ginger, Mod Extraordinaire, myself, and then joining us on this event, we have a very, very special guest judge. I'm so glad they decided to work with us. It's Lisa from KG Tropicals. So everybody give her a round of applause. I will pause so you can clap. So those are our judges for this event. I will relist them again. We have Riverlife, Fish and Fever, Chattanooga Ed, Guppy Guru, Zen Ginger, myself, Lefty3213A, and Lisa from KG Tropicals, which will lead us into the sponsors and prizes for our Anabantoid Extravaganza month of August event. Lisa has also graciously offered to sponsor some of the prizes, so she will be giving away extreme fish food. We have Riverlife, who will be giving away art again to the winners. Guppy Guru has a cool Aquarium co-op beta box like mystery thing. We have Diego from Multiple Aquarium / Petzotics, who has offered up a gift card and plant packages again. Fish and Fever and Ed are doing a surprise little gift thing. And then I'm going to throw in some Fiber Bites to all the winners. Now, all of the fish foods and live plants and whatnot will depend on if you're in the United States or not, because we of course can't ship food and plants internationally. So unfortunately, if you win and it's a live something or it's a fish food, we can't exactly ship that to you. But last time we had an international person win, and I was able to get them still some fish food through one of their local sites in their country. So we'll work with you and see what we can do to make sure you still get a prize if you're not in the United States and you happen to win. So thank you to all the sponsors that we currently have. If you would like to be a sponsor, please send an email over to projectanabantoid@gmail.com so that we can keep track of everybody and keep things nice and organized. And of course, make sure you like the Facebook page, Project Anabantoid. Just search it up. I'll put the link on the screen again. And that way you can keep up to date with anything that's changing or what's going on with the event. That will be where most of the posts happen. Also, make sure you stay tuned to Riverlife's live streams and Fish and Fevers and Chattanooga Ed, as those will be the primary sources on YouTube where you can get updates and information on the event. And of course, if you have any questions, post it on the Facebook page, send one of us a message, or send us an email, or ask us in a live stream. We're always here to help and answer any questions you have. And hopefully we'll have even more entries this time around, and it'll be a bigger and better event than Project Cecilia was. And thank you to all the judges and all the sponsors we have. We couldn't do it without your support. And of course, thank you, Rack, for always being the spark everybody needs to get events and whatnot going. And I look forward to seeing each and every one of your entries come into the email account and posting your pictures, videos, and art pieces on the Facebook page. And I will catch you guys in the next one.